What's up, beautiful people? Your realtor, Sarbir Grewal, back again with another video, and this time I'm gonna show you guys how you can invest in real estate with less than $10. Now, everybody wants to invest in real estate in some form or another. The only issue is the capital. It's difficult to come up with a down payment. It's difficult to even save up for a condo nowadays. So how can you get in and start investing in real estate with less than $10? Well, you can do this with something called a REIT. So what is a REIT? Well, it directly translates to Real Estate Investment Trust. And what that is it's a company that buys up a collection of properties using your money, the investors, and then holds the property, makes money off the property, whether it be via leases or renting, and then of course distributes that back to the investors in a portion, sometimes in a dividend or otherwise known as a distribution format. Now, what these companies do when I say they buy up a collection of properties is they buy in all industries and all forms of properties, whether it be residential, commercial, medical, professional, things like shopping malls as well. So it's a vast variety. So you're not just throwing all your eggs in one basket, you're diversifying your portfolio, but it's a nice way to kind of spread out your investment, get your foot wet in the real estate game, and then of course, build upon that as well. I say you start off with $10, but you want to be putting as much money as you can into it over time to watch it grow and obviously get further returns. So why REITs? So REITs allow you to invest in real estate without having to manage a property, so you don't have to be a landlord. You can collect rental income. It's not a lot, but it depends on the dividend yield. You get it in the form of dividends. And also, like I mentioned before, it's a good way to diversify. You're putting it in different types of areas, whether it be low-rise condos, high-rise condos, shopping malls, medical centers, strip malls, whatever. So there's a ton of real estate available that your money is kind of spread across, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And lastly, REITs are very, very easy to buy. They are publicly traded, so you can find them on the Toronto Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange. It's very, very easy to get yourself into the real estate investment game with a REIT. So here's REIT investing explained in layman's terms. Step 1, you invest in a REIT fund. Step 2, the REIT then takes that funds, the money you invested, and invests it in real estate. Step 3, they don't pay any corporate tax. And step 4, you get the rental income returns as dividends. Now, this is a great option for individuals that don't have a lot of capital, want to get into the real estate market, want to start investing in real estate, and also maybe they don't want to become landlords or manage a property and deal with that kind of stress. Obviously, the payoff is not as big. These dividends float anywhere from about 2 to 8% depending on which type of REIT and trust you kind of invest your money in. So obviously, the more money you put in, the more you'll get back. But if you're starting off with something small, let's say $10, you're maybe picking up a couple of shares. And so your dividend's gonna be in the cents, maybe like 60 cents, something like that. However, over time, let's say you invest into the REIT every couple of weeks, $10, maybe $10 every week. And of course, it grows over the year, 2 years, 3 years. You could see that cents become the dollars, become hundreds of dollars, become thousands of dollars. And I hope you guys enjoyed this deep dive into REITs. Like I said before, if you guys want to start investing in real estate but just don't have the capital, this might be the right fit for you. This has been Sarbir Grewal, your realtor, here with another video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.